Hello and welcome back to the Peacock Homestead. Today I was going to take you along with me and we are going to make Sumac-Ade. And it comes from the staghorn sumac and it grows in shrubs or trees. Sometimes they can be a little shrub or a big tree. I actually have both on the side of my house. I have a little shrub in front of my front yard and a huge tree on the side of the yard, which is kind of in the woods a little bit in the cut. And we are going to make a cold infusion. So I'm taking some of these berries, around 5 or 6, and I'm placing this in my little pitcher, and we're going to pour cold water on it and infuse it in the refrigerator for 24 hours at least. And then we're gonna strain it out and we're gonna add a sweetener of choice. I use sugar this time. I like to switch on and off with honey or sugar. And on my blog, I have all the benefits and how to make this cold infusion. Also how to make a spice with it, and I hope this inspires you to try some Sumac-Ade and some sumac spice. And I hope you have a wonderful week and a wonderful day and many blessings.